Today, I'll show you how to track your phone location online using your Google account. Before we start, it's important to understand that this method is meant only for your own phone, or for a device you have clear permission to manage. It should not be used to track someone else privately. For this to work properly, the missing phone needs to be linked to your Google account, turned on, connected to the internet, and have location services enabled. The main tool you'll use is Google Find My Device. On another phone, tablet, or computer, open your browser and go to the Find My Device website. Then sign in with the same Gmail or Google account that is already logged in on the phone you want to locate. Once you sign in, Google will start checking for your device automatically. After a few seconds, you should see the phone appear on the screen. In many cases, you'll see its current location on a map. You may also see extra information like the battery level, whether it's connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and the last time the device was active. If your phone is somewhere nearby, you can choose the play sound option. This makes the phone ring loudly for a few minutes, even if it was set to silent or vibrate. That can be very helpful if the phone is under a pillow, inside a bag, or somewhere in the house or office. If the device is farther away, look at the map carefully and check the location shown. You may also see options to secure the phone by locking it remotely, displaying a contact message on the screen, or erasing the data completely if you believe the phone is lost for good. If no live location appears, the phone may be switched off, offline, or have location disabled. In that case, Google may only show the last known location instead of a real-time one. And that's how to track your phone location online using your Google account step by step. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.